Yes, we have a continuous increase in the quality of the papers. I'm really very happy about this. And in particular, when we talk about the papers for the PCIM conference, we are always looking for experimental data together with the simulation and the theory. And this is really excellent what I have seen. We see the demonstrator and also we have the theory behind this. And also I have several highlights for the paper, especially when we talk about the reliability issue. This is getting more and more important, and also we have several papers on this topic. Well, my professional background is in the semiconductor technologies, and for this reason, of course, I have a closer look on the papers regarding the semiconductor issues. We have to understand that almost 1/3 of the papers coming from this semiconductor technology. And when we talk about semiconductors, we have the control ICs, which is an important topic, and of course the power semiconductor devices. And also what we see, we have a scaling of the chip. So in the future we have higher power handling capabilities on the chip level, and together with the higher power handling capabilities also we have higher power losses. And because of the power losses we have to take care that we have the right packaging and interfacing technology, which is a very important topic, and I'm very happy about this, that we really have several papers on this issue. Well, from my point of view, power electronics is the key enabling technology for all fields of applications, for the big topics we have today, like the mobility sector, the mobility on road, rail, air and water, the energy sector, data center, motor control, etc. For all of them, power electronics is the key enabling technology, and the power devices is the driving technology for the power converters. This is one important point, but also we have to see that we have also other fields, and one very important field in the future, this is outside, we have to look more in direction of material science. This is a very important point in the future. We need new materials for passive components, for semiconductor components, because this is the driving technology. And finally, also I would like to mention, and I'm very happy about this, about the AI topics. AI is not just a hype. AI will change the world, and also all disciplines, not only power electronic people, all disciplines working in this direction, and I think we can learn a lot from other disciplines like chemistry, medical equipment. They have more manpower and they do a lot in AI topics. Yes, this is, I think, for a young engineer when he is visiting the PCIM, and this is the unique situation, he can meet people from industry and academia. He can see all the components we are discussing on the conference level. Also, you can see the demonstrator in the exhibition. You will have R&D people to show what is going on in the development. You have marketing people to show the marketing trend. You have decision makers, and you have people from academia and industry. So this is the platform for the real application, and especially young engineers, they should be very close to the real application and what is needed in industry. Yes, I would like to mention several highlights. Some of them, of course, are related to the components. And here, in particular, I have seen excellent papers showing the future development of silicon-based devices. For example, the 6.5 kV press pack module, which is a very important component for high power. We have several highlights for wide bandgap technologies for silicon carbide devices, especially when we talk about high current rating, high capabilities for surge current, for example, to integrate a Schottky diode in order to improve the situation. We have several papers regarding packaging technology, along with new materials and new interfacing technology. It's a very important topic. I would like to mention one component, which is the DC breaker, which is a very important component for the future, not only for car, for all DC applications. We have highlights on the system level when we talk about sensorless control, motor control, when we talk about also the predictive motor control system, or failure tolerant systems when we talk about the really very high power application. I hope I see all of you at the PCIM Asia. Thank you so much.